Hi, sir. Welcome to Viral Bayani. How are you?
I'm good. I'm just very, very grateful for now. जो भी all the love and praises I'm getting for
Mhm.
Kaki the Bengal chapter. I'm just absolutely grateful. Thank you. Thank you
सर
so
सबसे
much.
पहले तो ये जानना चाहूंगी मैंने congratulation बट ये जानना चाहूंगी what made you choose this character this project.
देखिए मैम, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई थिंक द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट रीजन वाज बिकॉज ऑफ खाकी द बिहार चैप्टर. मैंने
Hmm.
खुद देखा है शो
Okay.
एंड आई एब्सोल्युटली लव्ड द बिहार चैप्टर.
Hmm.
जब मैंने सुना था कि इसकी कास्टिंग हो रही है,
Hmm.
आई डिड नॉट वेस्ट अ सेकंड बिकॉज वन ऑफ माय फ्रेंड्स फ्रेंड इज वन ऑफ द कास्टिंग डायरेक्टर्स ऑफ द शो ऑफ खाकी द बंगाल चैप्टर, रुद्रा. तो मैंने उनसे कांटेक्ट किया, फिर मैंने उनको कहा कि देखिए आई एम वेरी मच इंटरेस्टेड टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ द शो. तो फिर उन्होंने बोला श्योर सर. फिर उन्होंने मुझे ऑडिशन भेजा. उन्होंने बोला आप सेल्फ टेस्ट करके आप हमें भेजिए. आई डिड द सेल्फ टेस्ट. मैंने भेजा उनको. फिर देन फॉर मेनी अ डेज मुझे उनसे कोई कॉल बैक नहीं आया था.
Hmm.
तो आई एम लाइक शायद मुझे ये शो नहीं मिलेगा
जी.
बिकॉज एज एन एक्टर आई थिंक इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू एक्सेप्ट के यू विल नॉट गेट एवरी ऑडिशन.
Hmm.
यू विल नॉट गेट एवरी प्रोजेक्ट यू ऑडिशन फॉर. वो आई
Correct.
थिंक दैट्स अ पार्ट ऑफ एन एवरी एक्टर्स लाइफ. तो मुझे लगा चलो ठीक है, नो प्रॉब्लम, एटलीस्ट आई ट्राइड. बट देन 10-15 दिन के बाद उन्होंने कॉल बैक किया. उन्होंने कहा कि नीरज सर ऑफिस इज इंटरेस्टेड, आपको ऑफिस बुलाया. तो मुझे लगा शायद मुझे मिल गया. फिर मैं गया. फिर जो दीपक सर है, जो उनके डे टू हेड ऑपरेशंस के जो है, उन्होंने मुझे कहा कि इसकी कास्टिंग हो चुकी है. तो मुझे लगा अरे यार, इतना सामने आके भी मेरे से ये
Hmm.
छूट गया. पर उन्होंने कहा मीमो इफ यू आर इंटरेस्टेड, हम लोग इस कैरेक्टर में काम कर सकते हैं.
जी.
तो मैंने उनको एक ही चीज़ कही. मैंने बोला सर, it's my dream to work with नीरज सर, to be a part of this big show, this franchise of Khaki for Netflix. तो मैंने कहा कि whatever role you give me, अगर आपने मुझे पीछे एक बड़ी सी ट्री भी बना दी, अगर आपने मुझे घास भी बना दिया, झाड़ भी बना दिया, आई वुड बी द बेस्ट फ्रिकिंग ट्री फॉर यू. बट आप मुझे इस शो में कास्ट करो.
Hmm.
आई जस्ट वांट टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ इट.
Okay.
सो दे गॉट इम्प्रेस्ड बाय इट. दे सेड ओके चलो, विल लेट यू नो.
Hmm.
वापस 10-15 डेज रेडियो साइलेंस था. तो मुझे लगा कि शायद उन्होंने डिसाइड किया होगा कि नहीं, नो,
Hmm.
मे बी नेक्स्ट टाइम. बट मुझे कॉल बैक आया उनका. उन्होंने कहा कि नहीं, वी आर इंटरेस्टेड एंड वी वांट यू टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ द शो. फिर मैं जाके उनको मिला. मैंने डायलॉग रीडिंग की, स्क्रिप्ट रीडिंग की. फिर मैंने लुक टेस्ट किया एंड देन इन मे वी डिड द फर्स्ट डे ऑफ शूट. तो जब शूट पे गया, जब मैंने फर्स्ट शॉट दिया, then it just sunk in कि yes, now I'm part of the Bengal chapter.
Hmm.
Yes.
But if I talk about the genre or characters, इससे पहले आप किस तरह का कैरेक्टर और किस तरह के जॉनरास देख रहे थे बिफोर ऑडिशनिंग दिस कैरेक्टर.
See, I believe that I am an open book. I don't, मैं बंद मुट्ठी नहीं होना चाहता हूँ. I want to keep all of my options open as an actor. It is not. I have auditioned for television. I have auditioned for films. I have auditioned for hosting. I have auditioned for web shows. I have auditioned for every single genre of a role an actor can do. So I don't want to be fixated on one kind of a role. कि मैं तो बस ऐसी किस्म के रोल करना चाहता हूँ. I'm an actor, and if I don't challenge myself, I will never grow.
Correct.
I will never be able to tell myself, yes, मैं ये कर पा रहा हूँ. Tomorrow, if I'm given another character, and if I don't accept it, that means I'm choosing the easy way. But an actor should always be challenged. कि यार, if I'm doing Bengal chapter today, what am I doing tomorrow, which is a much more bigger and greater challenge?
Yes.
So even before Bengal chapter, I've done auditions for every kind of role. So I think that every actor should think that way. It should not just be the safe roles. It should be the challenging roles.
Was there any real life inspiration for this character?
There was no real life inspiration. There was a lot of TV inspiration from Daya, from CID. Yes, I'm a big fan of CID.
Oh.
So if you see, I am the muscle of the group. Like आप जब show देखेंगे, I am of the SIT, of the Special Investigation Team. Himel Majumdar is more of the muscle. He is more of the intimidation factor, because if I am my character is pitted against many dangerous criminals, which is one of them is Ritvik Bhumik and Adil Khan, and they are very, very good in the show. They're very intimidating, very aggressive. So we had to find an opposition to them. Like if I stand next to Adil and Ritvik, lagna chahiye ki yes, there's an intimidation factor. So I took a lot of inspiration from Daya. Like I was the Daya of the SIT team. So that's where my inspiration came from.
बट टॉकिंग अबाउट चैलेंजेस इस किरदार के लिए फिजिकली मेंटली कितने चैलेंजेस के थ्रू आपको जाना पड़ा? डिड एनीथिंग एज सच?
See, I was very fortunate ke my directors, Dipatma Da and Tushar Da, they gave me a very good, rich back story of Himel Majumdar. Of course, show में इसकी back story का कोई mention है नहीं.
जी.
But because every character has lived a life, right? अगर आप कोई भी character दे, of course questions arise होंगे. Is he married? Does he have family? कितने सालों की सर्विस ली है इसकी पुलिस में? इसके साथ क्या incidences हुए? Was he shot in the line of duty? इसके साथ क्या हुआ है? क्या politics हुए कि नहीं? So that all shapes the character into what of the story is.
Yes.
तो वो मेरे directors ने मुझे बहुत help किया उस back story में, which really which you are seeing resonating in the performance. And when it came to the physical appearance, yes, I did a lot of powerlifting because, as I said, it was not just about having a physique; it was having a tough intimidation physique. Because SIT officers cannot go show off their bodies.
Right.
Tight t-shirts नहीं पहन सकते. We had to always be in formals. But to look the part, I had to do a lot of powerlifting. Whether it came to a lot of deadlifts, a lot of bench presses, a lot of power movements, which gives that overall power look to the character. Yes.
How was it shooting in Kolkata? Did the city itself feel, like a character in the story?
Yes, I think one of the biggest characters in the Bengal chapter is West Bengal, is Kolkata. Because Kolkata is a beautiful city and it has lovely people, very welcoming city. I've been there many a times with my dad. So जब भी मैं गया हूँ, it's always been very welcoming. Whether it's the culture, whether it's the food, whether it's the ambience, everything has been very welcoming. And shooting in Kolkata has been an amazing experience because we were shooting under very difficult circumstances, like difficult situations. Two reasons. One, because of the heat. बहुत गर्मी थी उधर, and second because of the people and the pandemonium which Jeet Da had, because it was very difficult to contain them. Because he's got such a mass following in West Bengal. So shooting करने के लिए 90% of the time we're just controlling the crowd to keep them away from the scenes because they all want to see Jeet Da.
Yes.
So yes, but that was an amazing experience, very memorable experience.
Also, any scene that is emotionally, draining you, or it was difficult for you in the series?
There was nothing which was emotionally draining, but yes, challenging was definitely the interrogation scene between me and Akansha's character because it's just the two of us, and it's a very stressful scene. Like it's a scene which carries on in the entire series. It comes and goes, comes and goes. So we had to keep that temperament, we had to keep that control of the character rising, decreasing. So that was there. And when it came to the challenge, I think the biggest challenge was the tram sequence between me and Adil. Because उसमें भी आकांक्षा थी, but I think me and Adil, because we are tall guys and we are big guys, so we were told to fight in a very small space. और उसके बीच में दो तीन कैमरा, उसके बीच में फाइट्स, उसके बीच में लाइट्स. तो to organize that, it was a challenge, but of course it's one of the best fights in the show, so we were very happy by it.
Well, also, हर किरदार कुछ ना कुछ सिखाता है और हर किरदार से सीख तो मिलती है. तो क्या पिछले किरदार से ज्यादा इस किरदार में कुछ सीखने मिला, या was it okay? What?
No, I think every character I play teaches me something. Like before this, my movie came with Nawazuddin Siddiqui called Jogira Sarara. Neha Sharma was in it. So usme I played a character called Lallu. So Lallu has been very different than Himel Majumdar. He's a very different person. But Lallu taught me many things what Himel Majumdar has also taught me. Every character I do teaches me something about acting. Teaches me something about how to get into a character. Teaches me about, okay, what is the backstory? What is the 5 Ws? So every character has a different characteristics. उनका बर्ताव अलग है, उनकी आदतें अलग है, उनके नेचर अलग है, उनका रिस्पॉन्स टाइम अलग है. So every character does that. So yes.
Well, ये किरदार बहुत ज्यादा इंटेंस है. But do you think this could redefine your image in the industry?
See, I don't know whether it will redefine my image, but yes, whatever I'm hearing from the people has been very positive. Because people are acknowledging my work. Because क्या होता है इनमें क्या है? We are in an industry where what you show sells. You have to show your talent. You have to show how good of an actor you are. If you don't show that, people will not consider you, because that's the way the world is, what jo dikhta hai wo bikta hai,
Yes.
and today people are acknowledging my work, which I'm so grateful about. Today people are saying that I've done a good performance, so this is not just validation, it's acknowledgement कि yes, ये कर लेगा एक्टिंग, इसको अगर हम लोग मौका देंगे, he can do this. So
Yes.
that is very very important. So yes, absolutely.
ऑल्सो सोशल मीडिया इतने हाइपर है और हर किसी को पॉजिटिवली नेगेटिवली हर चीज मिल रही है, बट लुकिंग बैक हाउ डू यू व्यू दैट द फेज ऑफ योर लाइफ, व्हाट डिड इट टीचेस यू नाउअडेज, अब अगर देखते हो तो?
See, today social media is a medium for your work profile. Just for me, अगर आप personally पूछो तो, like my Instagram is only regarding my work. I'm a very private guy, so I don't like. Again, I'm not saying that what other people do are wrong. That is their choice. Me personally, I just want to keep it as a work profile, because पहले क्या होता था, पहले आपके portfolios बनते थे,
Yes.
पहले आप फोटोज बना के दिखाते थे लोगों को, अभी आपको सिर्फ एक लिंक भेजना है कि आप
Correct.
लिंक खोल दो, उसमें आपकी फोटोज है, तो बस वही फर्क हो गया, टेक्नोलॉजी बदल गई है बट अप्रोच वही है कि लोग
Yes.
आपकी तस्वीरें देखेंगे, आपका काम देखेंगे, और उस तो सो आई वांट कि व्हाटएवर माय इंस्टाग्राम इज, इट्स माय वर्क प्रोफाइल, कि ये से देखिए, ये मेरे नए फोटोज है, ये मेरी नई फिल्में आ रही है, मेरे शोज आ रहे हैं, फलाना फलाना. सो दैट इज फॉर मी. That is what I take social media for. I don't take social media for showing what I'm doing in a day, or what I'm planning to do, or this is where I'm sitting, or this is what I'm eating. I'm a very private guy that way, and I enjoy the balance between both of them.
वेल थोड़ा सा पास्ट देखे, आपकी जर्नी बॉलीवुड में बहुत ज़्यादा चैलेंजिंग रही, बट व्हाट kept you motivating to stay, to survive in the industry?
My self belief, I think that is very very important, because people, human beings, not just people in general, human beings have a tendency to always survive. That is one of our greatest traits, but उसमें क्या होता है, we try to topple each other, we try to go over each other. तो क्या होता है, then opinions come, then the rights and wrongs come into perspective, but then it's everybody else's thought processes. It should not be your thought process. Just because किसी ने अगर आपको कहा है कि यार you can't do this, that doesn't mean that you can't do it. Thomas Edison would not have made the light bulb if he was told that you can't do it. He when Thomas Edison was asked, he said, "Ke, how did you make the light bulb?" He said that I know one way to make the light bulb, and I know 1 million ways not to make the light bulb. So it's the perspective, right?
Correct.
It's like people telling you, people will always ridicule you, because people, a part of them don't want you to do it,
Correct, right.
because that way. But then you need to tell yourself, no, I can, because I believe in myself. I know that आज नहीं तो कल तो वो मौका आएगा ही, and then the opportunity does come. Everybody gets their time to shine in the sun, and everybody should, because everybody deserves that opportunity, not just me or you or anyone. Everyone deserves it.
Yes.
And why not? So I was patient enough to believe in myself. Today I still do, and that's why I'm sitting here.
सर इस इंडस्ट्री में सबसे ज्यादा नेपोकिड की बात की जाती है, बट
जी.
यू हैव फेस्ड challenges in this industry, struggle also in Bollywood, but being a tag of Mithun Chakravarti's sons, what made you help, or what it hurts you in the career?
See, the thing is, no matter how much I try, and no matter how much I try to run away from this tag, it'll never run away from me,
Exactly.
because it's a very big lineage,
Yes.
because of who my father is. So I've accepted it कि यार देखो, लोग को देखो, अगर आप अच्छी चीज भी करो तो भी लोग आपको गाली देंगे, अगर आप
Correct.
बुरी चीज भी करो तो भी लोग आपको गाली देंगे.
Right.
It is just the way it is. I'm not saying people are bad. I'm just saying generally that is what happens. Even I do that. Even I will not like everybody I meet. I will not say good things about everybody I meet. I might go back to my friends and say something bad about somebody else. That's human nature. So I have accepted कि देखो ये होने वाला है. I just have to focus on the majority. 51% ने अगर मुझे पसंद कर लिया, then I'm happy, because they have acknowledged me, they have accepted me. And when it comes to the pluses and minuses, I have never gone to an audition thinking that I'm going to get this role because I am Mithun Chakravarti's son.
Yes.
They know my father, but then they say कि चलो very good house, दादा, he's good, चलो आप audition कर लो. So in the end, it is always your work. Your work will prove your mental. I got the Bengal chapter जैसा आपको मैंने कहा through auditions, through the
Yes.
right process. My father and Neeraj sir still haven't spoken to each other, mind you. अभी भी उन्होंने बात नहीं की एक
Oh
दूसरे
God.
के साथ. So that's how my father believes कि यार you want to do something, earn it.
Correct.
You know, greatness, whether it's respect, whether it's greatness, whether it's love, appreciation, rent is due every day and you have to earn it every single day. You cannot just go out there and say, oh, accept me for who I am. Nobody's going to do that to you. You need to earn it. Today, आपको जैसे मैं कह रहा हूँ कि the compliments and the praises and love I'm getting is because I've earned it. It's not because it was given to me.
Yes.
So very big difference in that. Yeah.
If you want to skip this question, you can skip this. If you don't want to answer, you can. You have option to skip also. But just want to know, there were serious allegation against you in 2018.
No,
That
all of that I don't care.
no, no, no.
Let's- yeah.
But what would you like to share your story, your side of story nowadays that time has passed away, but.
That is something we can skip that for now.
Okay, but talking about Nadalsa, how do you encourage her because she's doing very well in television industry? अगर बात करूँ आपकी, how do you manage each other in the professions?
See, Maddie got Anupama when we were like what in 2020. 2020.
जी.
So it was at the height of COVID, and it was one of the very few shows which was starting. So it was a very big risk movement. It was like कैसे हम लोग इसके बारे में कर पाएंगे? Is there going to be any health concerns because of COVID? Because the world did not know what is happening.
जी.
But she still took a very big risk of taking up the show, and then we all know how big of a hit the show became.
Correct.
How much she's loved even today by the audience. She's left the show. It's been a couple of months now. She's left the show, but still people come up to her and take photos and interact with her. So I have always believed in her, and she got her due because
Yes.
she's such a good actress. And so we both, because we come from the industry, because her mother, me and her mother have worked together. So we all know what it feels like to be a part of this industry. Her father has done a film with my father, so we all know कि यार yes, industry ऐसे चलती है, क्या होता है, क्या the pros and cons of
Correct.
being an actor and being a part of the industry. So she supported me in everything I did. I supported her in everything that she did, and that is why it worked, because I've seen her working. I've seen her go 6 o'clock in the morning to shoots, and she comes back by 10:30, 11 in the night. So and she would sleep even while eating dinner. ऐसा समय आता था कि मैं उससे उनसे बात कर रहा हूँ, and she's eating, and then if I turn and look back to her, she's already slept. Like it would be so difficult for her.
Yes.
But she didn't give up. For 4 years she was in the show, and what an amazing experience it's been. So I've only have praises and respect for her for that.
Also, recently सुल्तान मूवी के टाइम पर जब सलमान खान ने आपको अप्रिशिएट किया था उनके क्रू मेंबर को बताकर, हाउ डू यू फील जब इतने लेजेंड से एक अप्रिसिएशन मिलना, हाउ डू यू फील?
See, Salman Bhai has always been like an elder brother to me. He has always, been very positive, very supportive towards me, even though he's so busy in his life. He's such a mega star, but he's always taken out time to be very kind and very helpful towards me. So when I remember when he called up mom and he said, "Ke, send Mimo to the sets of Sultan," I was already overjoyed. Like, I'm getting to spend a day with Salman Khan.
Yes.
Who gets to do that? So I was there and I spent the entire day with him. And then after pack up, I was chilling with him. And I think till the wee hours in the morning, I was there. He was still not letting me go only. He's saying that Mimo reh jayega.
Oh.
But I'm like, I don't want to overstay my welcome. That's the kind of man he is. So he was telling the other assistant directors of Sultan, he was saying that, you might think that being an AD today is difficult, that, you have to stand and you have to go and ask the actors to come on set, and then you have to be more involved in the physical labor of making a film. But then look at him, like he pointed at me. उन्होंने कहा कि he is still fighting his battles and he still hasn't been gotten a chance even to struggle. You guys
Yeah.
are still struggling. Look at him, he's still standing here. So coming that from Salman Khan, the mega star Salman Khan, is a very big thing for me, because it gave me such a big boost. Like, yeah, he believes in me, man. Like, see what happens is in this industry now, people have this bad notion that it's a very bad industry, very cutthroat, very selfish. It's not.
Correct.
It's a very professional industry where people will only come to you if you are beneficial to them. That is where life works. It's that way. I will only go buy that shampoo and conditioner if it's beneficial for me. I will not go buy a shampoo and conditioner which I don't know about.
Correct.
So if today, if I'm successful, people will give me work. It is the way, because people are putting money on you. अगर एक producer आप में पैसा डाल रहा है, because he knows he's going to get investments back.
Correct.
It's the world.
Correct.
That's the way the world runs around. So I don't take it personally anymore. It's a very professional industry, and in this industry, if somebody believes in you, then there's no looking back. I remember telling Neeraj sir when Khaki was releasing on March 20th, I was telling him, sir, thank you so much for this opportunity and thank you for believing in me when others doubted me. So that is very important, when people believe in you. So
Correct.
Salman Khan believing in me, what can be better than that?
But last two questions, I
Yes,
just
please.
want to know, who is that one person from the industry जो आपके अच्छे में तो है ही है, but बुरे बुरे वक्त पर भी आपके साथ था, and that motivates you all the time, और उनकी कुछ ऐसी लाइन है जो आपको आज तक मोटिवेट रखती है, except your father.
See, except my dad, I'm not in daily conversations with these people, but I do remember what they told me. I think that is the right way to put it. उन्होंने ये Abhishek Bachchan told me a very beautiful thing when I met him. He said कि this is during Jimmy, before
जी.
Jimmy. उन्होंने कहा कि Mimo, the world will try to change you, the world will try to break you. Never let it. Be who you are. मुझे अभी भी वो याद है. John Abraham during the shooting of Elan, he would come and chill with me in my room. मेरे साथ बैठ के बात करते थे. And I told him that if I ever look up to somebody as an elder brother, it would be you, John. And he smiled and he says, thank you, Mimo. John Abraham is saying thank you to me. So it's just these acts of kindness, which
Correct,
really
right.
touch me. Shahrukh Bhai called me on the sets of Om Shanti Om. He gave me life advice. He said, whatever happens, don't ever stop believing in yourself. Keep learning. Always have the fire in you. Like today also, if you go on a Shah Rukh Khan set, you will see him the most energetic man on set. So he says, never let that fire wither away. Keep that fire alive. So these things really, really echo in my head even today. These big mega legend living superstars are giving you this advice. There is a reason they're telling you this.
Correct.
Because they somewhat believe that yes, you can do it.
Yes.
Karan Johar has given me so many numbers of so many casting agencies to go and talk to them. He's never told me कि इनके पास जाओ तुमको काम मिलेगा. He's always told me कि go meet them, audition for them, and if something happens, I'm here. So these are the kind of people who's always, they have in some way or the other supported me. Some way or the other given me guidance. So yes.
Last question. अगर मैं मिथुन दा की मैं बात करूं, क्या उनके तरफ से आपको देखकर ऐसे लगता, मोटिवेट लगता है, एंड व्हाट इज हिज वन थिंग दैट यू ऑलवेज कीप इट in mind कि
Yes.
हाँ ठीक है, मुझे ये रखना है, और ऐसे
He has told me one thing very clearly कि यार Mimo, always be honest with everything that you do. Anything and everything. Whether I'm giving this interview to you now, whether I will go home by the jetty, whether I will play with my dogs or spend time with my family or do whatever, or do nothing also. Do it with 100% honesty. Because when you are honest, you don't have to think about anything.
Yes.
You're giving your 100%.
Correct.
If you're, don't be half-hearted into something. अगर करना है तो ठीक से करो, वरना मत करो.
Right.
Because camera can catch everything. Your life, your soul will catch everything. If you
Right.
lie to yourself, you can lie to the world, but you can never lie to yourself.
exactly.
Always be 100% honest with yourself and do everything with 100% honesty. That's what he taught.
Well, lastly, message to your fans and viewers.
Well, I just want to thank you all. I can just be like this grateful that thank you so much for loving loving Khaki the Bengal chapter, loving my performance, acknowledging me, giving me so much of love and praises. When you believe in me, when you believe in me, I become more motivated. मुझे और शक्ति मिलती है to keep coming back stronger, and stronger and better and higher. So it is because of you. I'm here because I want to entertain you all. I want to keep entertaining you all. Just keep believing in me how you believed in me. And Haunted 2 is coming out soon. So please go watch it in the theaters. Very soon you're going to hear the announcement for it. And it's coming out September and October. So I really hope it's a very scary film. It's in 3D. And it's way better than the first. So please go watch it. And please, please, please keep giving me your love. Thank you.
Thank you so much and all the very best.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.